Ohtani regala un Porsche en Navidad por su número.
Yes?
It's yours.
What?
From Shohei. He wanted to gift you a Porsche.
Shut
I swear.
Y Soto le copia de su papá a Ohtani.
My guy. My guy. Hey, man. You know, I told you I got him. He's driving and everything. Oh, my God, man. It's all yours. Look at this thing. You put the bow on, too? This is sick, bro. You know, I just appreciate it. Thank you for the offer, you know. I really appreciate it. Yeah. It's the first one I ever wear, so I want to give you something nice, you know? Something nice that you can. Well, this is definitely really nice. Tell me how I look in the driver's seat. I gotta see. And bro, this is crazy. This is crazy, bro. That is so quick, dude. You know we can get this done. No, thank you. You're the man. You're the man. You're wrong. Yeah, let's have a great year. All right, let's do it.